When you use a free Shopify theme, you can easily modify the content and layout of different pages on your store. Use sections to add and move features like a gallery, slideshow, testimonials, and more. To access your theme customizer, start in your Shopify admin. Click Online Store. Choose what theme you'd like to edit and click Customize. This example selects the Publish theme, which appears in the Current Theme section. You are now in the Theme Customizer. In the top left, you see the name of the theme you're editing, like this example, Debut. On the right, you see your online store and how this theme currently appears. As you make changes in the Theme Customizer, you see them update in real time. Since the Debut theme is the current theme for this store, you see the live icon in the top right. Right now, this store is password protected, so any changes made are not visible to the public. But if you are editing your published theme and your store is not password protected, all saved changes are visible to the public as you make them. You may also be editing a theme from the Theme Library section. If you're editing a theme that is not published, then you'll see the Publish button in the top right and Draft in the top left. Any changes made are not visible to the public. The Theme Editor toolbar on the left is divided into sections and theme settings. Sections are customizable blocks of content that determine the layout of different pages on your online store. To edit sections, select which page you'd like to edit from the drop-down menu at the top. Each theme includes fixed sections, like the header and footer, that show on every page of your online store. You aren't able to move or delete these sections, but you can edit them regardless of the page type that you select. Make use of the icons at the top, reflecting different preview styles. Here, you see a desktop view. But you can also select a mobile view or full screen view. As you're making changes, use these icons to see how the online store appears on different devices. A great place to start customizing is the home page of your online store. Depending on what theme you chose, the default layout may look a little different. To add a new section, click Add Section. The options available here are known as dynamic sections. Each theme has a unique set of dynamic sections to choose from. Scroll through the list and click on a section. You see a preview of this on the right. If you'd like to use this section, click Add. From here, customize as you see fit with images, text, or anything applicable to this section. Then, click the arrow in the top left to go back to the toolbar. You can continue to add and customize sections with up to 25 sections on your homepage. How you see the sections stacked in the toolbar is how the sections appear on the online store. If you want a section to appear higher in the page structure, you can move the section where you'd like to see it. To do this, click and hold the 6-dot icon beside a section. Then, drag the section to a different place. You can also hide sections that you don't want to display on your online store. For example, you can create an image with text section to promote a new product, and then hide the section until you're ready to start selling it. Click the eye icon for the section you want to hide. When a section is hidden, the eye icon has a slash through it. Then, when you're ready to show a section, click the eye icon again. To remove a dynamic section, start by opening the section. Scroll to the bottom of the toolbar and click Remove Section. If you ever make a mistake, you can quickly undo or redo changes using the arrows at the bottom of the toolbar. By clicking Theme Actions, you can preview your theme in a new browser window. You can also access the theme's code and language settings here. Finally, Theme Settings is where you customize your store to suit your brand. You can customize colors and typography, add links to your social media websites, upload a favicon, and even customize your checkout. It's important to note that when you make changes in this section, the changes are made across all pages. For example, if you change the color of sale text, this change takes place on all online store pages. Always remember to click Save as you're making changes.